Hello, God bless you class. Class, today we have started again the video lessons, and today we are going to discuss chapter number 6, lesson number 1 for 6 Cambridge. More about dissolving. This is the title of your chapter number 6. Now we see many things around us which we intentionally dissolve in water. So today we are going to study a lot. Now there's a question that do all solids dissolve in water? You see the spices from your kitchen. Do all of them dissolve in water? Have you practiced them? Okay, you can have a chance. Okay, now we will be seeing that there are some solids like sugar which dissolves in water, but on the other hand flour which do not dissolve in water. So the question for this the answer for the question is no, not all solids dissolve in water. Now, soluble solids. Soluble solids are those solids which are completely dissolved in water, such as salt. When we add salt in water and we mix it, the salt disappears in water, means the salt is dissolved in water. But when we see the sugar, when we mix sugar in water, again the sugar is completely dissolved in water. So the salt and sugar both are soluble solids. Beside this, there are some solids which do not dissolve in water, and they are called as insoluble solids, such as chalk, marble, sand, and many more things. So you see, when I dissolve or mix the chalk in water, when I mix it, the chalk sits in the bottom because it does not disappear in water and we are not getting a clear solution. Sorry. The next example is if we add sand in water. No matter how many times we mix it, the salt sits or deposits in the bottom, means this is insoluble in water. Now we see when we add sugar and salt in water, we mix them, means they are dissolving. So the question is here that how fast a solid dissolves in water. There are 3 very important factors which dissolve solids in liquids. First is rate of stirring. How you mix, how much you mix, means when you mix it, when you stir it, it goes quickly. So the dissolution of solids depend on the rate of stirring, the rate of mixing. The next is the surface area of the solid. Like if we start adding the large chunk pieces of salt and we mix it, they will dissolve in water, but they will need greater time, they will need more time. But if we use powder sugar, then the powder sugar will be dissolved very quickly, means the rock salts or the chunks of salt take more time and more stirring labor. But when we powdered it, as the powder of salt has greater surface area, so they are dissolved very easily. And the third very important factor is the temperature of the solution. If you want to make your solution quicker and easier, you take warm liquids or you raise the temperature of the solution. Now have a look on solution again. When we add soluble solids in water, we mix it well, a clear solution is made. Like water acts as a solvent, sugar acts as a solute, and when we get a clear solution, clear mixture, that's called a solution. So solution has two components, one solvent, second solute. Now there are ways through which we can get back our solids from the mixture. They are filtration and evaporation. Now today's task is, I will not be explaining filtration and evaporation in today's class because they are your reading task today, and your homework assignment is, I have given you two questions. Why is used the method of filtration and the method of evaporation? And the second question is, what are factors on which the dissolution of solids depend? Okay class, thank you. Read the topics thoroughly from the book so that I will come with another video lesson tomorrow. Take care.